guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up? Today I'm gonna talk about some of the Dribbble secrets that I guess other designers don't want you to know about. So stay in this video, let's go over them and make your designs pop more on Dribbble, shall we? Before I start this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video if you liked it, and share it with your friends so they can have better views and find a lot more clients on Dribbble. The first and most important thing is that you should show other designers and potential clients come to your Dribbble account that you care. They need to know that you care about your work, you care about design, and you're really interested in working with them or just showcasing your work. So this is what you want to do. If your account is not pro yet, I highly suggest you to do that because you can have access to all these amazing freelance jobs that are gonna help you finding new projects. If you haven't done that, do that. If your page is pro already, make sure to create the cool banner that shows who you are and what do you do. Okay, so basically what you want to do here now is that put a good profile picture, one that really shows your face. If you're an individual, if you're a team, you can use a great icon and logo that you've created, or if you're an illustrator, you can just simply create your own illustration for this page. In the description part, make sure to tell your clients that what you do, explain it. Here I said that I work in crypto, NFTs, I create UIUX interfaces, fintech, apps, and Web3. I emphasize that on my banner as well. I work in Web3 blockchain and I am a UI/UX designer. I put plus 100. This is the amount of the projects that I've done, the amount of concepts and everything like that. So make sure that you've really created a beautiful and a self-explanatory first page for the people who actually come into your Dribbble page. You want that to be really clean. The next thing that you want to do is that you have to create really good, clean, and minimal mock-ups. So the days of weird mock-ups with weird shapes, the whole page is not showing and everything, that's over. You want the designers and potential clients to be able to see your work in the first thumbnail page. So make sure that you're creating obvious mock-ups, not some really, weird, cluttered, something that is hard to understand. You want them to see your design. So make sure you're doing that. That's really important. And something else that you want to do is that if you design websites, applications, or anything similar to that, you want to post all of them. So you don't want all of your posts to be about websites or just mobile apps. You have to keep beautiful variation of them. You can post website, application, website, anything like that. You don't want them to just see website because then you would lose a potential client that would be wanting you to design an application because there's nothing there for you. Another thing that is really important because it's somehow new is posting case studies. Guys, start doing it. It's really important. Why? Because it shows that you are smart and you know what you're doing with your designs. This is really important. Listen to me. When you design something, you're a designer. So basically you will be creating a design system, you will be creating a user flow, or maybe you're creating a wireframe, and you're doing all those behind the client's eyes, for example. What you want to do here is to show off them. Show that you have these skills to do these little things, the wireframes, the user flows. You want them to see that. So make sure if you're creating a case study to mention those things, mention creating the wireframe, mention how you did the user flow, mention how you created the persona. This is really important and it really shows that you care about the project and you have all this skill set that wouldn't be showing just from posting one picture of your project. Use the case study, explain about your struggles, explain about the things that you learned in that case study, and that's what makes you different than other people that just are posting some pictures. Okay, that's important. This is a small trick that I've seen that sometimes work. You want to create small animations for your posts because let's be honest, something that moves in the page would like get more attention than something that's solid. So make sure if you have the skills to create small animations in your designs, like you can show a drop down opening, you can just create a simple easy flow of animation. And like for you guys that are a designer, it's not gonna be hard to do some small things in After Effects. And if you're like too lazy for that, you can create those small interactions in Figma Prototype, screen record it, and just edit it a little bit in Premiere so it's good for posting. Another important thing that you're already doing but like you're not maybe doing it right is using relevant tags. So for example, if you've designed an application, you don't want to tag landing page, website and stuff like that. Something that really works in like tagging your work is that mentioning the style you use. Like if it's minimal, it's glassmorphism, anything, you should just mention the style of your work, because when designers are searching for like if they want to do a minimal project, they would search minimal and your project will come up. Another thing is like specify the color. Your primary color is green, say green, because sometimes some people will be searching for like a specific color in the design to see how you're using it, and if you give them the color of your design, it would pop more in searches. Don't forget to share what is your work. For example, if it's a marketplace, if it's like something for plants, if it's like a weather app, if it's a social app, just mention what is the purpose of the app. And if it's a dark mode, like write the dark mode. If it's light mode, write if it's light mode, because again, people will be searching for that. So you're gonna just be smart. Think about the things that you search when you're like searching in Dribbble and trying to find ideas, and use them in your designs, because well, other people are doing it too. Another thing that would like show that you're a professional is like attaching, like if there's a video in your shots, if there's like attaching the images, like attaching the file of the Figma, perhaps the SVG file, anything that would give access to other designers to use your work if they liked it. It's just amazing because like you can show how your product looks in real life, so make sure you're doing that. Something that I see that works a lot of time is creating rebound shots. For example, if there's a really great shot that you see on Dribbble and it has thousands of views, you're gonna rebound that shot. What you want to do there is to go in the shot page, click rebound, and share your version of that shot. For example, you can redesign it a little bit, you can make it better if possible, you can change the colors, anything. Just make sure to not copy and paste the design. That's not really a good way to get attention. But yeah, rebound shots are awesome because that will go like top of the page, and anyone who's like seeing that shot will see that you've created a rebound, and if you're lucky, they're gonna click on it and see what you've done. Something really important that a lot of designers are not doing, I know this for a fact that they're not, is like interacting with the community. Guys, you're a designer, there's a huge community of people working there. If you support their work, if you pay attention, if you like give feedback to them in the Dribbble space, they're gonna do the same for you. You're gonna make friends in this way, you're gonna get more viewers this way, because if you comment on someone's shot, they might do that for you because that's a nice thing to do. So make sure you interact with the community, you share other people's posts that you like, you're commenting, and like make sure that you give people a good feeling, they will do the same for you. Just keep that in mind. The community is really important in Dribbble space. And last but not least, this is actually the most important one, is that you want to be consistent. I mean, like you're gonna be posting every day. That's really important in being sick. I have like these schedules that I will be posting every day for a month, and then I get a lot of emails from potential clients asking to work with me. Consistency is really important in Dribbble. Keep posting every day and you're gonna see the magic. It's a whole different world out there if you're posting every day. Good posts, not some sketchy things. What I do is that I keep redesigning my old work. I keep posting different pages of the same project. It really helps you. You don't have to like give a lot of time of yours to do that, but still you're posting every day. You have to be consistent, and that is your key to finding a lot more clients and a lot more views on Dribbble. I see some people like using these platforms that would buy views for you, buy comments, buy followers. I won't be doing that. They're not really interested in your work, and I don't think that that would increase your viewers and like clients, because they're not real. They're just other people who just want to get the same view and get like comments, and they're just liking everything. So you don't want to do that. And that's it all for today. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to use these tips because it's really gonna help you developing a better page on the Dribbble platform. You're a designer and you need to be seen. Dribbble is a great space, so make sure you're using it right. That's it all for today. Make sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up to this video, leave a comment, and well, follow my Instagram if you like my work. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.